What's up, Wonders of London fans? What's up, YouTube? What's up, internet? We are live on a Sunday right outside Blackfriars station, and there are some stations in London, I'll be honest. You go outside of them and there's a red underground sign, and then there's stations like Blackfriars where you come out and you're greeted with views of the London Eye. We've also got the Oxo Barge Tower that you might have just seen a glimpse of there in the background, hiding over. They've got a statue of Queen Victoria, and believe me, we're intending to step out onto the bridge as of right now and give you a look at some of those views. They've got a cool plaque that will give you some of the history of the actual bridge of Blackfriars. This is Blackfriars House that you're taking a look at here, which, you know, you wouldn't be, well, no one would think bad if you thought it was something like the Ministry of Defence if you take a look at this thing. Also, it is always worth saying, guys, we are right now in the City of London, and the City of London always have these bollards with the red, the white and the black around them. And if you keep watching, guys, you're going to see some of these views on Blackfriars Bridge. And that there is Queen Victoria, who would have come and opened this bridge here. And we do have a plaque here, and it says at the bottom, I mean, apart from the Blackfriars Bridge, and you know, when it was first constructed 1760, first opened here 6th of November 1869 by Her Majesty Queen Victoria. So you find her on the top of the bridge. Also, shout out, because this is where we finish our City of London tour, which I've just done this afternoon. It was a lovely tour, having a chat. I did notice that I almost got skated into. Skaters love them to bits, but you have to keep your group a bit safe around St. Paul's Cathedral. And here we go, folks, we've got some of those views. Now you can really see the Oxo Tower. You'll be able to see down to pretty much Whitehall Gardens there. And in fact, I mentioned the Ministry of Defence, that's over in the distance that way. And of course, that's where you'll find the Houses of Parliament. As the City of London kind of fades away and merges into the City of Westminster. On the other side, though, it's not quite as scenic, because we do have the train station of Blackfriars. So it actually looks quite cool if you're in the station, because then you can look out. So they haven't cut off the views entirely, but unfortunately from this little bit they have. But you do get the Shard. Lorenzo Piano being the architect behind it. And you've got St. Paul's, so it might be worth me just giving kind of a little spin with the camera here. And as I do, guys, if you enjoy our content here on YouTube, please give us a like and subscribe. It goes an awful long way. Also, pop in the comments, where would you like to see us go next? Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Peace out.